How to make money online for free 2018. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to break it down for you so that if you click the link below this video, create a free account, follow 5 simple steps, and really you only need to go to step 2 if you're using this as a free member. But if you continue to step 3 and step 4, they're going to show you how to maximize your potential. But I'm going to show you how to start generating $1 commissions for every single lead you generate, and that $1 commission could also potentially turn into a $100 bill. Now, this is absolutely free to do, and knowing this, it kind of just hit me the other day that this is very powerful because a lot of people are skeptical about getting started with their online business. And as we see here, I'm just going to scroll to the bottom. I got 27 members. This is actually day number 2 of joining this platform. The only thing I have done is marketed on Facebook, free methods on Facebook, which if you join our team, I'll show you how to do that. And I've also emailed my email list. Now, this system converts very, very well. I've been getting emails quite frequently, and I am also able to build my list. So I do have a landing page set up, but what exactly this system is the Earn Easy Commission system is going to step by step take you over the shoulder and help you get set up with a system that you can just go out there and promote. So if you look in step number 2, step number 1 is just going to break down what the system is. Step number 2, that's where you're going to get your unique referral link. Now, if we just go to this referral link, if you click the button below this video, you'll actually be sent over to this exact link here. And now, as you see here, very simple. They're just going to get you to enter in your information. And if you watch this video, I highly recommend you do. But it's going to show you how you're going to make money with the automated selling system. Now, what is the automated selling system? Well, that is this page right here. So if you enter in your email or information and create a free account, you're going to get sent over to this page right here. And now with this free account, if you go out and promote this referral link and somebody creates a free account, you're going to get paid $1. Okay, so all you have to do, like I said, click the button below this video, create your free account. Then what you want to do is you want to watch step number 1, and then you want to watch step number 2. You want to grab this, referral link right here, and you want to promote it. Like I said, if you click the link below this video and join our team, you'll see your sponsor will be Dylan DeFazio instead of Robin Anderson, and you'll be able to contact me. And I'll also be sending you guys an email, a welcome email, to help you get started, growing your Earn Easy Commissions business, where you can start earning those $1 commissions for every single member that creates a free account. Now, as you guys see here, there is some terms of what a qualified member is. You can read over those when you create your free account through the link in the description below. Now, where it gets really powerful is you're not going to, create a full-time income promoting $1 commissions. It's just not sustainable, and you're not going to be able to create a solid income. Eventually, you want to upgrade to what they call their VIP partner. Now, as we see here, it is a $1,000 payment or a $100 payment 12 times, which makes it, $1,200. I do not recommend, once you do upgrade after you've seen that this works, you start earning those $100 commissions. You want to pay the one-time $1,000 payment, and the reason for that, Alex will go over in this video, but you're going to be able to earn even more money with this one-time payment. This is going to be their all-in package. But for right now, what we want to focus on is you want to focus on generating as many leads as possible so that you can start earning those $1 lead commissions. Then once you see that it works and maybe you've received a $100 commission or a couple $100 commissions. Then you want to invest that $1,000 to, you know, go all in and start earning, instead of $100 commissions, you can start earning $500 commissions and $200 commissions from anybody you sign up that get signs up as well. So it is a big system. We do have lots of, you know, masterminds and stuff like that. And I do have my own personal group as well. So if we head over to Facebook, you'll be getting emails from me. And if you join, what I want you to do is just search up the Six Figure Marketers Club. And this is where you're going to get private access to me. I'm going to be, you know, updating you guys with new systems that I'm launching, or, you know, any free training. It's all going to be posted in this group. So you want to make sure you join the Six Figure Marketers Club. And if you don't have me on Facebook, shoot me a friend request. I am almost capped out. But that's pretty much it for, you know, how to earn money for free 2018. Now, this system makes it super simple. If you go out there and overcomplicate it, you're gonna kick yourself in the foot, and you're not gonna make as much money as possible. I recommend all you do is click the button below this video, go through step 1, go through step 2, start promoting this link. If you go, you know, like I said, join the Facebook group, the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I do have some Facebook training inside of that group. So definitely check that out. And then go through, watch step number 3, step 4, and step 5 is going to show you how to, you know, check your referrals and stuff like that, which you can see right here. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the Earn Easy Commissions system, and it is what I believe to be the easiest system to start making money with. Now, they do pay out every single week to PayPal, which is awesome. So you don't have to wait. I know some CPA platforms take, you know, up to a month or something like that sometimes, and that's not the case with Earn Easy Commissions. They pay out every single week directly to your PayPal, and once you start, you know, filling this system up with leads, Alex does an amazing job at converting those leads into $100 commissions if you're the free member, and $500 commissions if you are a VIP member, which is the $1,000 upgrade. So thank you for watching this video, guys. My name is Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, as it will really help me out to get monetized, so that we can start coming out with more videos every single day to help you guys grow your business. And I will be coming out with a secret system for the Earn Easy Commissions platform, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you guys have been following me for a while, I do have you know, a background in automated systems. So thank you for watching. Again, hit that thumbs up button. Let's get this video out to as many people as possible, and I'll see you guys in the next video.